Hi, this is Dan Collins coming to you live from the Traders Expo New York. And today we have a real special treat for you. With me is Ruggiero Jr. He was one of the pioneers of the use and work in artificial intelligence. Longtime contributor to Modern Trader magazine, but Futures magazine going back to the 1980s, is that correct?
1994.
1994. Murray, tell us what you're up to now.
Well, you know, I've worked with intermarket analysis since the early 1990s, and I released my intermarket state analysis. One of the keys with that is you don't only care what the intermarket relationship is currently, but what that previous relationship was, the previous value of those relationships. So very quickly, intermarket divergence, let's look at the bond market and utility stocks. When utility stocks are going up and bonds are going down, you want to buy bonds. When utility stocks are going down but bonds are going up, you want to sell bonds. That combination of trend, positive and negative trend, is a state. So you're going to record the current state and the previous state. That was the advance in intermarket state analysis, and that's what I've been using now for a lot of my institutional clients.
And this is something you build up for years and years,
right.
So what you learn you add to as you go along.
Right. Now, intermarket divergence was originally released in the mid-1990s, and I published a bond system in Futures magazine in 1998 that still works today without re-optimizing the parameters.
Okay, and people can find this at?
Usingeasylanguage.com is my TradeStation website. We also have TraderStudio.com, which has my trading platform on it, which also has hooks to TradeStation, so it can be used as a TradeStation add-in. But Usingeasylanguage.com is the TradeStation website.
Okay, and you built a lot of systems, and people can see this
right.
over years and years.
Right. I have a lot of trading systems. I'm also doing a lot of research. One of the areas of research that I've been doing is what's called Arma Garch models. We are actually having models of predicting tomorrow's price divided by today's price, taking the log of that. So we can predict the direct short-term market direction using these Arma Garch models. Now, these models are predictive enough to make good trading systems, but if we apply machine learning to their output, we can make even better forecasts. And that's one of the areas I'm researching right now.
And you can find that at usingeasylanguage.com. We will be back with more, but this has been Dan Collins from the Traders Expo New York with Ruggiero Jr.